Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, shortcut key for eyedropper tools in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this eyedropper tool, right click and show this shortcut key. Simple example, press I on your keyboard. Again, see this selection. Again, follow this, press I selection tool. And next tool for the next 3D material eyedropper tool, color sampler tool, roller tool, node tool, count tool. Okay, apply this. Hold shift, press I for the next tool material. Again, hold shift, press I. Hold shift, press I. Roller tool, hold shift, press I. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.